Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process of how to create a business manager. So for example, if you want to create a business manager, you first of all, you log into your Facebook on a computer. And after that, you can go to the ad manager. And then if you don't have a business manager at all in your account, when you log into the ad manager and you click on the three lines on the left-hand corner and you click on business settings, you will see that it will tell you create account. This is because you don't have account. But if you have an account, it may ask you to select one of the accounts you want to open. So you can follow this to come and just click on create account and start the creation process. Or you can just create a totally new business. You can just come and then go to the URL to create a new one if you didn't have any existing. Even if you had existing ones, what I mean is that if you had existing business manager and you click on the business settings, it won't bring you to this place and ask you to create a business manager. So in that case, it will ask you to rather select one of the existing ones and open. So I am rather showing you how to just go direct to the URL that you need to open to create a business manager. So you type this and then you come to this one, create business manager. Then from here, you go to business.facebook.com/overview. Then create account. So it has brought us back to where we were here. So we are back to the create account. Okay, so you click on create account. Then they'll ask of the name of the business manager. Then you put an email there. Then you submit. Okay, so the business manager has been created. We are asked to now confirm the email. Okay, we'll do that later. So you click on done. Okay, so it takes us to the business manager. So from business manager, we will go to business settings. Business settings. Okay, so we are inside business settings. So on business settings, we can go ahead to create an advertising account for our business. We click on add. So to create an advertising account, you click on add, and then you see add an ad account. You see request access to another account. So add an ad account means that your business will control campaigns and billing for this ad account. Claiming an ad account moves it to business manager. So to add an ad account means that you own a certain ad account and then you are claiming it. It was initially not in this business manager and we are claiming it. Request access to an ad account means that your business needs to use this ad account on behalf of another business. So for example, you work for an agency and the ad account belongs to a client. This ad account will still belong to its current owner. So this one we are requesting access. Then the last one is we are creating a new ad account. So this is the option that we're looking for. So we put the name of our ad account and you click next. Okay. Select this is for my business, or this ad account we use for my business. Then you click on create. Okay, so we just need to refresh it. The ad account has been created, but we need to refresh it. Okay, so as you can see, it is created. This is it. Now we need to set permissions for this ad account. So if we come to ad account, currently there's no one that is an administrator of the ad account. So we can add people. So if I want to add someone as an administrator, I can add. So if I add the user of this account, then she'll become an administrator of the ad account. Now, I'll do that, but I want to scroll down and show you other things. So you can come to business info, fill the information, the necessary details for your business. So you can put the legal name of your business, the address, the website, and the information of the user. Okay, you can do that. Now, I want to add an administrator to this business manager. I want to add an administrator. It is important to have a second administrator so that in case your user account is restricted one day, you can still go ahead to continue to use your business manager from the second administrator. So it's good to add an administrator. And so to add someone to this business manager, you click on add. Then we put the person's email. Then we choose whatever control we want to give to the person. We want the person to manage everything. So that is full control. Okay, so we will click next. There's an other account. So I'm giving the person the access to the other account to manage fully. Then I will click on invite. Okay, so he will have to go and then follow. He will have to go and follow the instruction in his email to follow to accept this invitation. Now, if you check the other account here, you will see, as I told you, for now, there may be only one person that is an administrator. So I can also add this user as an administrator of the other account. Then you can open this in the ad manager. And as you can see, our ad account is there. You can just use it. Now, before that, let's also add a payment method. So you click on the 3 lines. You click on the billing. Click on payment settings. Then you click on add payment method. Then you choose your location, the country, the currency, the time zone. Yeah. Choose the time zone. Then you save and choose the time zone that matches your country's current time. Or that matches your the current time zone of your location. And then you click next again. Then you put the details of the card, the name on the card number, the YY, and the CVV, and save. And then you are done. So this is exactly how you can create a business manager and an ad account. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for other videos similar to this that can help you to improve upon your digital marketing skills. Once again, have a great day and see you in the next video.